Stairs from hell. This is the entrance. Our bathroom. Mary and I share this. Then this is a closet. It's huge. That's the other shelves. And then you go down the hallway. This is my room. It's very big. Hi. And then this is the living room, and it has cool shelves where you can put stuff. And then this is Mary's room. It's like as big as mine. And then you go down the hall. And this is this is Bitsy's room. This is Bitsy's room. This is Bitsy's bathroom. Say hi to my dad. This is the kitchen. It's red and really cool. There's Bitsy and Bridget.
Hi, we miss you.
And then this is the beautiful view. Oh yeah, what up, city? Alcatraz over there somewhere.